Alright, just got this Breville Smart Grinder Pro. Looking forward to checking this thing out and replacing my Bodum grinder, which has been fine, but this one is definitely a step up. Alright, so here's our box. Looks good. Pretty tall. Instructions. Ergonomic plug, I guess. First time I've seen that. Well, it's definitely packaged nice and protected. Bean container, brush. Here's the hopper. Basically, I like this design because you can do right into your espresso group head, but also has a container for just loose grinds as well. Looks like that's got a little seal on it. So yeah, pretty excited about this. Make better use of my espresso machine because it's sort of been more of a hassle than not to use it with the Bodum grinder I had. So anyways, I'll do a more depth and review how this works out with my Gaggia espresso machine.